I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today is my first unboxing of 2025, and it is the first time in 3 years that I have bought a Coach bag. So I'm very excited to share that with you. Excuse me. Allergies as always. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Melinda. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I would love it if you have not done so already to just hit that subscribe button down below, join us, and let's have some fun. So I picked up 2 new pieces from the Coach Cherry line. They re-released it this year. I have 2 pieces from a couple of years ago that I actually was able to get on clearance, and I'm going to show those pieces to you. I think it's kind of interesting that they did this when Louis Vuitton is re-releasing their Murakami cherries collection, and I think I am the only YouTuber that did not make a video about the Murakami mess, but I just, I don't want to hear any more about it. So I had a gift card from Dillard's if you were watching my vlog and I didn't find anything. What you didn't see is as I was leaving, I finished filming later, but I wrapped up filming at the mall, but I saw this bag on display and I was like, oh, what do we think about this? And so I didn't buy it because my daughter was ready to go, and I was like, I'll just think about it and I'll just order it online, and that way I'll get a fresh new one. And here it is. It is the Coach Swinger bag. Let's get this wrapping off of this baby. I'll just throw it down on the floor there. I love how they come wrapped. I mean, it's like, you know, nobody has used this bag. I think it's really cool. So there is the strap, which I'm going to detach, but I'm not going to detach the receipt because I need to try my things in. I didn't try my things in at Dillard's because we were leaving. Okay, I brought little scissors. I didn't think, I might have to speed this up, then I'll be talking like a mouse. Okay, got that out. But here it is. It's really cute. It kind of reminds me of the size of maybe the Louis Vuitton pochette accessoire, but maybe a little bit bigger. But I was looking at it and I was asking her, I'm like, well, she's so funny. I wish I had this on camera. I was like, well, you know, she knows I love cherries. And I'm like, well, what would it go with? Would it go with anything? And she goes, your aesthetic, duh. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. It does go with my aesthetic, duh. So here it is. It is so super cute. And you have this little turn lock here to open it, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. And let's take out the stuffing. And I have never ever tried one of these on, looked at one of these. I do not know. There's just a lot of stuffing in here. I'm just chucking it everywhere. So I did open the bag up in the store, and I was able to see, what is this connected to? The strap is hooked to something inside the bag. I was able to see that it came with a longer strap because this is the other strap. So I will put that on in a moment, and it does have a Coach dust bag. That's nice. So let's get stuffing out. I don't know what that was attached to, but okay, there we go. There's a little leather tab. Oh my goodness, they do a good job. There's even a little piece, there's like a little leather tab, a little piece behind that. So I need to try my things in it, but I definitely think it will work. It is so cute. Can you see the glitter on there? I have actually been considering, I have a piece of art that I had commissioned that we have upstairs, and we have a really big wall that we've been trying to figure out what to do with art, and I'm really thinking about going back to that artist and doing the cherries, but where it says Coach, have our last name. I think that would be so cool. And then the little glitter on it, he can do absolutely anything. But this is adorable. Let's try the strap on it. Then you've got the two little tags on the side, the Swinger limited edition 1987. Oh, that's cute. And the bag was $275, and I had a gift card for $113, so that made it a really good deal. A really good deal. Oh, that is so adorable. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going to hold my breath that I'm going to get anything from the Cherry Murakami collection. I have asked, and I did ask. I had 2 CAs that I was working with, and I mean, like, I don't know what happened with that. Even, like, I spent a lot with Louis Vuitton last year. I don't know if it was enough by any means to be considered VIC. I don't know what their threshold is, but I know people that truly were VIC and they didn't get anything. And then people who hadn't bought anything in years and years and years were able to get pieces. This is my attitude, even if I don't get something from that line. And this is why I didn't make a video on that, because I really don't care. It's a material item, and I'll live, you know what I mean? It's like, that's kind of, you remember I was like, when I would do my wish list and I was like, I'd like another Birkin, but if it doesn't happen, I'll live. That's just how my attitude with material items is. There's nothing that important enough to me to get upset about when it comes to handbags and all of that stuff. This is very well wrapped. Okay, I can't quite get this. There's a tab that will make this not curl, but I can't quite get that down right now. But oh, this is so nice that it's adjustable and crossbody. And I do think, I don't wear red. Red is not by any means my color, but I do think, like with what I have on today, I have on a navy tank top and a white jacket. I do think this is going to go with a lot of pieces. This is super cute. I really like that. So let's get to the second piece, because I have done a long unboxing for the first one. I probably should have maybe unwrapped that first, but the second piece was sold out absolutely everywhere. I could not find it. So I just put it in the search engine, and this store that I have never ever heard of popped up and said that they had it. And I was like, is this a legit store? And I Googled them, and yes, it is. Actually, I DuckDuckGo'd them, and yes, it is. It is a store in Davenport, Iowa. I don't know if they have other locations. I'm going to insert a picture because I was just utterly curious. They gift wrap pieces, and then it came in this lovely little box, and then the box has this tissue paper. They did such a great job. If you were sending this to somebody as a gift, it was beautiful. So this one has no price tag because I got the gift wrap on it, but it doesn't matter, I'm keeping it. It is the little card holder. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton zippy coin purse. So let's open this up and get all of the stuffing out of here. Show you the inside. This is impressive. I believe that this was like $100. I will put the number, the price down below, but I really think this was $100. And it is, boy, they have all sorts of stuffing in there. It is all leather lined. Look at that. That is leather. That is impressive. And there's like a card slot back here. So there is fabric behind the 2 back card slots, but this and this is leather. And then, oh wow, this is leather too in here. I love anything with that back pocket because it's so convenient to use at an airport or anywhere. Just either you put your card that you use the most, or when I'm traveling, I would put my license there. This is nice and compact. Yeah, I am definitely gotta try my things in it, but I think these are, I know this is 100% a keeper, and I'm pretty sure this is. Let's put that down in there. Oh yeah, my things are gonna fit perfectly. Oh, I don't have my phone. Oh, that's because I'm expecting a phone call. So I gave my phone to my husband, but isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, I was so excited to get this piece. I really wanted this piece. So I'm gonna show the older pieces that I got. And I got the pochette, I guess you would say, and I have never once used this, and I don't know why I bought it. because I don't like flat pouches, but it's just beyond adorable. So anyways, I haven't used this, but this piece I use all the time, and that is their domed oval cosmetic pouch. And I used to have one from Louis Vuitton like this in canvas, and after not very long it starts to pinch in right here, kind of like that that YSL bag with the pointy top. I have had this one for several years now, and no, it hasn't done that at all. This leather is thick and it is beautiful. And you see, I take it traveling with me. There's eyeglass cleaner, there's wet ones, there's that more wet ones, but yeah, I travel with this one a lot. It's really, really nice. So let's see how the leather. So the difference is this bag is smooth. This is smooth leather, and this is textured. Can you see the texture? And then also this one is textured. This one has the texture on it. So that's interesting. But yeah, I did a video saying I was not buying any more contemporary bags other than Longchamp going forward. Not last year, but the year before. And I have stuck to that because it is just, I think it's easier to collect contemporary bags and to get a higher number. And so I'm like, as a maximalist, I have to pull it in somewhere. But no, I had to get some pieces from this collection because I don't know if they're ever going to bring it out again. They have some on the Coach outlet, but from what I could see, they did not have the glitter, and I love that sparkly little glitter. I think it is just so, so cute. So super happy. I'm excited. These are awesome. I'm gonna go try my things in this. I'm gonna go try it on. I'm gonna go play with it. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.